Hey, what's up? Welcome back to It's Fine Garage. Today, we're gonna go on a road trip because I gotta go pick up something cool. You know how, I bet that wind is terrible. You know how I am about things that are cool. I drive way too far and I pay way too much and I enjoy them not enough. But gotta check the oil in this thing and stuff like that. Yeah. She's good. Full of antifreeze. Full of power steering fluid and brake fluid. Let's see if she's full of battery fluid, huh? Ooh. We'll get you a tailpipe shot. I don't know where the tailpipe is, but ooh, I'll get you a trailer brace shot, huh? Did it get in your eyes and stink and stuff? Probably because it's a freaking diesel. They're terrible. I should just use this thing. Haul that trailer. Go pick up this old car. That would be super neat. Also, I got the lights off in the shop because I don't know. Be back when we're on the road though. Super windy, I'm sorry. We're all loaded up. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. Time lapse! made it. We beat him by 35 minutes. That's fine. He should be here shortly, I suppose. But oh, my old dog. But when he gets here, I'll see what I can do. Get him switched around. Nice. Hey, you wanna know where all the wind blows to? Big Timber, Montana. Holy smokes, it's windy out here. 57 wagon. A country Sean. Neat. How neat is that? A little rusty, that's fine. A little busty, that's also fine. This thing's freaking sweet, brah. I like it. A little bug-eyed. Like, headlights stick way out. They're kind of like this tire. It's so sketchy. Oh my goodness. It's fine. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. Now we're jumping back on the interstate to drive 2.5 hours home. Yay. Time lapse! We made it. I know it's really dark out, but isn't this thing just neat? 57 Ford Country Sedan. It'll look really good sitting right here next to this 66 Ford Short Box. See if we can't get this thing running maybe. So it's extremely windy out and it's raining and whatnot, so I'm not going to try and start that thing outside, and I can't bring it in because this is just a mess. I'm doing a deep clean on the shop, so I'm going to take you out and let you watch unload it, but we're definitely not going to try and start it today. That'll definitely have to be a future video. But let me know if you want to see that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like the 57, because I certainly do. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Sorry about the wind noise. Here we go. I'm gonna put you over here on this something. I'm gonna put you on the 49 back